Number 16. Angelina collected bears for the children at the hospital. The bears she collected is shown below. Okay, here are her bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The bears were shared equally among 3 children. What fractional part of the bears did each child receive? Well, I know that we have a total of 6 bears because I just counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Every child received 6 there was a total of 6 bears, and they're going to be shared equally among 3 children. So to do this, I can say child 1, child 2, child 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Child 1, child 2, child 3. I still have some leftovers. Child 1, child 2, child 3. Every bear is given away to a child, and now let's make sure that we need to count how many bears each child got. Child 1, child 1, child 2, child 2, child 3, child 3. So every child that got a bear got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So every child got 2/6 of the bears, or they got 2 bears. But I want a fraction, so your answer would be 2/6.